Ted Wayman is tonight. Most of that town still in the dark, Ted, now well over 48 hours after the snow came to an end.
Hey, Ben, it was a gorgeous sunset here at Wellfleet Harbor. In fact, a lot of people came down to see it, but 120,000 customers on Cape Cod are still in the dark.
It's 43 in the kitchen.
At the Walton home in Wellfleet, the fireplace is the main heat source. Not too far away in Brewster, crews are working to get the power back on.
Happy face.
Classes are canceled for the rest of the week at many Cape Cod schools, so parents are coming up with creative ways to keep kids busy.
I think some kids are doing a lot of indoor activities, and this guy's not an indoor cat.
Speaking of indoors, Brewster Town Hall is now a warming center and a place to recharge your phone and laptop.
Once their devices are charged up, they talk to their family and make those connections. They can return back to their home, or they can go to one of our regional shelters if they need someplace to be overnight and where there's meal service. Those are the regional shelters, the nearest one for us being Cape Cod Tech.
Back up Route 6, traffic lights are still out, as this part of the Cape is still waiting for the lights to come back on.
That's what they told us to hope for, Sunday.
Oh,
Sunday.
really? I didn't.
But they said Friday to Sunday, so I'm saying Sunday, and then if it comes Friday, then it's a gift.
Still, a lot of people are hoping for that gift, but it could be worse. Just down the street in Provincetown, 97% of the people in that part of the Cape are still without power. Live in Wellfleet, I'm Ted Wayman, WCVB News Center 5.